Nagluluksa ngayon ang TV host actress na si Ann Curtis dahil sa pagkamatay ng alaga niyang pusa na si Mogwai. Ayon kay Ann, pumanaw si Mogwai nitong nagdaang June 30, pero wala siyang nabanggit na rason o detalye hinggil sa pagkamatay ng pusa. Ayon sa Kapamilya Star, mahigit isang dekada niyang nakasama sa lungkot at ligaya ang kanyang alagang pusa kaya talagang mamimiss daw niya ito. Sa kanyang Instagram account, nag-post si Ann ng mga litrato nila ni Mogwai at ilang bonding moments nila together kalakip ang mensahe para sa yumaong alaga. On a rainy Sunday afternoon, after almost 11 years of being part of our family, our dearest Mogwai has crossed over the Rainbow Bridge, bahagi ng post ni Ann. Dagdag pa niya, "He will always be my little gremlin munchkin, sweet dreams old man, we are going to miss him." Bumuhos naman ang mensahe ng pakikiramay mula sa kanyang mga supporters at kaibigan sa showbiz. Alam daw nila kung gaano kamahal ni Ann ang alagang pusa ayon na rin sa mga ipinupost niya sa social media. Rest well Mogwai, hugs Ann, pakikiramay ni Jessie Menjola. Oh, Mogwai, mensahe ni Kim Atienza. So sorry your loss Ann, Mogwai was your baby and we know how much you love him, he got his halo today. Komento ng isang IG user. Sabi naman ng isang IG follower ni Ann, he just waited for you and your family at Ann Curtis Smith, rest well Mogwai. Samantala, inaabangan na ng fans ni Ann ang comeback series niya sa ABS-CBN, ang Philippine adaptation ng hit K-drama na It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Sabi ng aktres, It's Okay to Not Be Okay has been a favorite of mine since I first watched it. I instantly fell in love with the characters and its way of educating and raising awareness on different mental health issues. The storytelling was portrayed so beautifully and is the very reason why I could not say no when it was offered to me, sabi ni Ann sa isang panayam.